My name is Jossie, and I'm working here at Lauiula Beach Club. My staff member used to call me with my other name, which is Jossie, and as you can see, I'm a Fafafing here. I used to manage some of our staff in Lauiula Beach Club. Been living here with 3 years in Lango. So as for me, um, the purpose why I working here to Lauiula Beach Club is to had a chance to help my makwa sa soangi iyo matua I inisip iyo fi awal nga luenga iya ulo matong ulo nga lueng ni defi ang ani lango so I made my choice which is to work nearby so that I can help them with some stuff because ulo kingay di makamakaw lava wa uy miya mako for the sa may faliloto but even now yeah they will finger me so Devo sessuang kili mo ni si foi ovainga me tso fale lotso elinga tsailia me fale ainga. So
Sa fishing at Waya, whatever na pangalwana in the love you.
uh olawi ola e ne wa fane masinga talo ona o fingal wenga I lawi ola beach club. I was graduate from last year. I was studying in School of Maritime Training in 2023. I was taking fisheries program and then I was graduate in 2023 and then studied again in 2024 and also become one of the president in the school. And I was taking nautical program and that program is to work on board or our our vessel in Samoan and I was graduate from 2024. And then when it comes to this year, I was planning on go working on board, but yeah, isa lawat sa niya. At so no AI lawat sa mi sa niya leli imo wao so apkwe apalay mo fingal wingay. But parents first. That's my only advice for all the young generation and all the people in Samoa. Fa mo matua. Ito yung mga may uma ay ito yung mga matua. Thank you.
Okay, now what? So you are well educated. For the local. Nga a o nga ngai pulang alua ngai e fasolo to e a o nga maulunga pe na papo ko
Okay. Thank you for the question. Nao lo wala nga ato na awawi na yapia ni Apollo. I was studying in Sonai Primary School when I was in a primary school and then abilok sa nga Eva in Wesley College, Lauiula. Ia tsoi sui rola ia ina ua umalo ia nai ia sawe lo ina mo nga folk college. Ya onga lotu ili ia ten sa ifai o lava ina fau u ile sa nga format solo ile lua fe lua format sasi. Ia a lua fe lua format lua ia wanofo. Awa oma ona fau lua fe lua sasi lua fe lua nofo ia saulo ni savai. Saulo ni savai sosuangi I fiau ang ngalwenga. De yeah, it's a long story, but uma na faile mato uma faile whole ale elo tu na sosuani ai then what I was planning on going back to school. So then na tuela tuelo luafi lua tolo maluafi lua fa, and that's what I need to let other student and other young generation know. eh, you still have a chance. If you're staying home for a whole year or 2 years, you still have a chance to go again. Le oy loa, ele kalangoa sa lava sisima, mali lucky pole lucky. If you fail, try not to be failed. You have to try your best. If I fail, yeah, Manguia.
wata wana yo matua. Ole ana no ugo tono le ainga. O pe to pio ko yo tono to papi.
In reality, my real parents, it's in Upolu. That was reality, and then I've been adopted in Yomako Falianga, those that I'm staying right now. So my role in my family here in Lano, I've been doing the same, the two side of the of work. Yeah, in my final mga fatama, but when it comes to girls duties, I can do that too. Um, Mea uma lava, I used to do that. Mea I am que alu foi que sui povi que eu vá pensa assim, eu vá pretty. O que alu foi que sui povi, e mo que fai popo, a o foi que me mai kapingang o mir falisa. I do that as well. If vai que eu falisa, fai mea uma lava com a inga. Yeah, yes.
Ko la mai na.
Mm-hmm.
Ole ola nga venga na ie to pia ia staff ia le under you. How many staff members under your management?
So um, here, some of our staff, for mamato, yeah, o te roa toi lawa na o au tangata tuaili e whamasi na ia. O isi o tangata sa momo me te au ia. Whai malanga tu fo i nisi whi o ngaluenga ia tunu mamao. So o lea lawa ye fo isi mato sui fo. So there's no one under my name. Because each and every one of us have position. Ito fulawa tanga sa mala na yung position. But as for me, I used to manage it is side only pa le pa ma may I eat for the inga. I used to manage some of that things and help with my new workers that they oh my because this opportunity and this skill and knowledge was na au my lipule o le Lauiula because she was training me to know to let me know how to do this stuff. Alona Swafa or Heidi, so she's the one who let me know about all this stuff, and I can help with some of the stuff in the office. Mm. So mga malo for is tinin o tutor officer, yeah then wala utay mi for ilanga tavai lua ia me lua em fainga o fainga ringa de pa ia o kwesa kwe ficava com o officer sai minne de tsoy na wa o ia masitasi for olo fainga ringa pa sai minna. But not only here in the restaurant and in the office, so I can help with my staff. It is si vai ngalo ngaluay de vai ngole housekeeping. I've been doing that as well. Ukial for usasuangay so that we can divide it in parts. Like aluli si kapinga mali si fali mafaingo usawe kava kuli si fani so that makako kakawa if ang nga kakuli litsala fa sa mo uli putpul lima lava mamay avinga ya ole mea fo inalo some o se fai lava ma o se sama fai fo I fai loa tu o I mato au fai ia fai au fai ngaluenga. It's better to work together. Mama ya le avinga pe a fai ai afa pe e fai ele lo to tangata ia it's why lava na umuse mama e se ngaluenga lo to fai fa uma.
Nice to meet you, Jossie. Um, o le ale majority o tangata leo mai no foi I the resort. I te le atu tata nuu pe yen tangata palangi o mai whaonga fuanga.
Yeah, but tayo naman like fa-oficini. O tulanga lama i the resort. Matangata o mai no foi. Sisi lava numero tanta sa mo o mai mama mafaunga o ia tato fo ia mtafanga me fa pena o nei ai lava le manata fa pe wai o tato tangata nu o lo'o experience e latou fo'i ia le tulaga le nofo faleo a mai pea o le mea na amata me tatou tagata Samoa mai aso ana moa ia e leai se sina na saurua failosa na falepalagi a na tatou o mai umama ma tausi mai ma fofua mea tatou o laga i fale nei faleo'o a ia o le to'atele lava lau tagata Samoa mo po o tatou a ia tagata anu'u o tagata o le tatou atu nu o lo'o nofo maumau nei Samoa e tele lava e o mai o le fa'aogāina o le sami mo le fa'amālō ma tae'ele ia ma fai latou papakiu ai itiiti lava i latou le numera e latou e o mai ma fa'aogāi moe ia e fato'ava'ai fo'i le tulaga lea pe a fa'apea o le tuatuagia fale'āiga o nisi o tatou tagata mai la itu o le motu e o mai me upulu nei sava'i a ona samawhaine e su'e ia risu la talata i le mea o lo'o fai ai ia po kalame po events nei a'aiga ia lea lai mau ai fo'i tata Samoa pa o te lē lava numera o le aunonofo i nei i mo le fa'aogāiga resort ka ilua ka ikulu pu o tagata mai fafo e le mea whainga e sili ona tāwai ai tātou ona whaahali le tātou full support o ma le kakou lango sua i tangata me tunu mamau because a whapea tātou se susuani tangata nei ma awe o tātou lango sua whaanoana me uma whapena i tātou fo i tātou atu tātou nuu wha Samoa e ma whai e tangata i toa tasi mai overseas ngā sau ngā sau a whapea if she or he loves the customer service and how people working in the resort i le treating o ngaia e mawhai e ngaia ngā sau po e le resort po e ia le customer service and ave online ia o le o ngai kakale kua kasi e mawhai ngā attract mai e ngi kanga kasi kua keli mai o le mea fo i ana le tupu temi nei to a te le lama tangata me tunu mamau o mai mawhaonga o ngai because what's in reality is that they never experience on staying in a valley or they never experience on staying in an open valley like is a fai alai sab sabili ma kikilo ni sami ia e re pe o tatou tagata Samoa ia o tatou masani lava e tina lava na e tatou fatpalagi e tau lava na e tatou valley o e tau lava na e tatou valley papos valley o tu talani o le fale po o tua foi o le fani ona o le mea ua masani mai ai mai o se memory fo'i o se memory fo'i e whātupu manatu lava i le āinga o le whale lena fofua mai a le unu no whane nea. And I know that some of the oldies i tātou matatua mātua tangata matatua e tina lava na whale pāla ni no fuai. E alu lava na mawhau i whane na ula mai e. Ia, se tale tuna i whawhesiri.
Well, a few we've been trying to book around the other places. But anyway, we were here last year with our children. So we came back here not only to enjoy the Fale, but how much can you pay for this? Ile Sami, Samuel Fale, Ele Sami. And also, not only that, but most importantly, promoting small businesses. I think locals business. Iloleo mai ngofo I whaipalangi o I la sinu to mai tono whale e tā puni ai e mana ia leo mai e support ma promote ai fo ia na I business ia I noo ia ma business la it. Yeah. If you were to be the person to influence visitors to Samoa, what would you say to them to attract them to come?
You know, and our Samoan people, so sele na mo tanto tato, me se lava tanto tato lo mau i tunu mau. Ele tele feo I lato wa lai ai lato side has a Samoan person. I experience with lato I tato fo ia. Tato fo ia falen peon tato feo la mai. So I prefer that you should come and enjoy our valley. in Lauiula Beach Club in Lano. I can tell when you stay a night, you you can feel like always puti ma faafaile le mai no lang ato e le faleo pe fa pe e te lei for sa e ola mai isi inga to le lei, but I can tell you can feel the difference about staying in Farpalang Marino for faleo e ai na isi so why not come and try at so no ese foi se lang ona mas bifianga yo ese oi yeah no so se mi mo fe ese oi but I'm right here no te I lava Lauiula. um you should check us on our Facebook website, which is Lauiula Beach Club, or email us to book so we can offer you a folly with a nice price.
I'd like to thank you again for the opportunity. I know you're a very busy person. We can tell you're a very committed person. My last question, but not the least, is where do you want to see yourself and what is your dream in life?
Oh, this is the hardest one. Okay, thank you for this. This is the most important question, and it was hard to me to say it, but to be honest, right now, for me, I didn't think about my future. I didn't make a move or make a plan right now because all I'm thinking of right now is my parents. I sacrifice everything for them because they've been doing a lot of stuff for me. So all I have to do is to repay their kind and repay their debt. Okay, kung ay kalafu. Because I can tell that a lot of people, a lot of student, a lot of people, every, not everyone, but some of them, wa mawa mea, mawa ula futi futi te pui pui fai ala ngana. Wa mawa ula futi futi ya wa whaangalon me na ula mai ai, ma me whapena. But for me, and if I so plan mo le numanai. Because I'm still young. I'm just 23 years old right now. Yes. And like if I so plan mo le numanai. So all I'm focused of helping my parents, that's all. Paula Vanan, me let my phone terminate. Le so my phone is too long. Yeah, terminate more what time it's far away, but my whole time of my kini ang ko o matswa. So say the vang out to my 7 horses. Missing for too long I why ma tunu e malanga if to find I alu for I po and ma fai for you na ona tu wala wa aula on suswani yeah stali tsunami.
Yeah, but you're the one who say, my entire focus on long Asian to some way, and my
Okay, Prophet tayo na man o tito mo ne tu lavre ngang fa sai ti o lua fa tu man la sunga foi. Ela foi ne ama no fa fa no ai. This is not my first one. It's like I don't know. I can get umang kwanga because I've been sa po if you see me it's me awa yeah, but it is just some foi it's if it's me it's if it's me fa fa ngam but le ala le mo le tsoi dia nga fa tse le na va ye mo nei foi ama no tsa wo mo fa fa no ia ma fa al do tsoi foi le tsu lang on me lo fa ngam we ngai mo tsu lang fa pena. But all I can say is that tsa tso tsu lang tsa bo matsua me fa mo mo la fina ngalo le yo tsa tso matsua then e furi pule a oi o me fai pule oi tupe pule oi me tmo at se mi nei ave lo fa mo mo matsua yeah o na sin sala nei fo itu o mai yeah pa manuia va nei aso yeah ma fa manuia tso sang fo yeah ma nga fa sai